Everyone's talking and you hear absolutely nothing. Or worse, you're talking and nobody can hear you. Discord voice chat breaking is one of the most common issues on the platform, and in this video, I'm covering every fix, from the quick ones to the ones nobody tells you about. Number 1. Why voice chat breaks. This almost always comes down to one of four things: the wrong input or output device selected, Discord not having system-level microphone permission, a bad voice server region, or an outdated app or audio driver. Let's fix each one in order, starting with the most common cause. Number 2. Fix 1. Input-output device settings. Open user settings, go to voice and video, and check both your input device and output device dropdowns. If you recently switched headsets, plugged in new speakers, or updated Windows or Mac OS, Discord can silently default back to the wrong device. Select the correct microphone and speaker manually, then use the Let's Check button. Discord provides to confirm your mic is actually picking up sound. Number 3. Fix 2. Permissions, mic access. If your device is correct, but Discord still isn't picking up your voice, the app itself might not have system permission to access your microphone. On Windows, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone, and make sure Discord is toggled on. On Mac, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone. This is the one people skip most, and it's often the real fix. Number 4. Fix 3. Voice region and connection reset. Sometimes it's not your setup at all. It's the voice server region the channel is using. If the server owner has it to a distant region, connections can drop or audio can cut out entirely. If you have permission, go to the voice channel settings and change the region to one closer to most members, or try automatic. Also, try leaving the voice channel completely and rejoining rather than just muting and unmuting. Number 5. Fix 4. App driver update. Last one, make sure Discord itself is fully updated since voice bugs get patched frequently. Also check that your audio drivers are current through your device manager or your manufacturer's software. An outdated driver can cause exactly this kind of one-way or no audio issue, especially after a Windows update. Final verdict. So check your input and output devices, check system microphone permissions, try changing the voice region or rejoining the channel, and make sure everything's updated. One of these fixes solves the problem almost every time. If none of these work for your specific case, drop the details in the OBX Discord and we'll troubleshoot it together. The link is below.